He was a Scrum Master, retired for some years. Kids were out of the house, her husband only gardening with tears. Bored out of her mind, she missed the sprints and roar, till one day she saw a job at PSM she couldn't ignore. She called them up, their HR thanked her kind, corrected the ad she felt needed for the first time. Read about a company with Atlassian Agile Coaches doing transition. Called them but they didn't listen to pat her knowledge and precision. Removed all certificates from her CV except PSM One. Installed Snapcam for fake beauty, other applicants outdone. Went only for flawed job adverts, turned all her interviews to close. HR to hiring managers to teams, her wisdom she'd amassed. Filled with hiring managers wanting an Agile Scrum Master, for Scrum Master, Agile Coaches, Jira they plastered. Corrected spelling errors, pointing out a Scrum Master there. Asked about what problems they want to solve, showed she cared. Said recruiters straight behaving, rude into her life scene. And those who only wanted control charts missed the Agile dream. In third round interviews she gave team tips galore, especially when just management came. She offered knowledge more. Removed all certificates from her CV except PSM One. Installed Snapcam for fake beauty, other applicants outdone. Went only for flawed job adverts, turned all her interviews to class. HR to hiring managers to teams, her wisdom she amassed. Every talk turned into training, workshops in disguise. Companies wanted her permanent but too high a price. She now loved planning gardens, a husband by her side. Just coaching and interviews, heart open and wide. Removed all certificates from her CV except PSM One. Installed Snapcam for fake beauty, other applicants outdone. Went only for flawed job adverts, turned all her interviews to class. HR to hiring managers to teams, her wisdom she amassed. She found a new purpose in every flawed ad she'd see, helping companies thrive from her home remotely. Her heart was in the garden, but her mind set them free. Retired but still true leader, with her expertise she'd be. Removed all certificates from her CV except PSM One. Installed Snapcam for fake beauty, other applicants outdone. Went only for flawed job adverts, turned all her interviews to class. HR to hiring managers to teams, her wisdom she amassed. Wisdom she amassed. Every talk turned into training, workshops in disguise. Companies want permanent but too high her price. But she now loved planning gardens, with husband by her side. Just coaching and interviews, heart open and wide. Removed all certificates